hair feels soft. It does not feel hard at all. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Hello gorgeous, welcome to vlogmas number 22. So before I do my hair, I am going to prep my hair with using some moisturizer and seal it with oil, and then from there I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. Wait a minute, I forgot to do my new intro. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Ay, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Ay, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. If you haven't watched my previous video, this one right here, please make sure you go ahead and watch that. I did speak about some relaxer products that I am using on this relaxer journey. So the Can2 thermal heat protecting spray, I mentioned how the second ingredient is alcohol. So that lets me know that this is a high content alcohol product, and I decided at the last minute in this video not to use it because I didn't want my ends to be hard. I just freshly washed my hair and wrapped it, so I didn't want to take a chance on my ends being rough again. So with that being said, I decided to use the Blue Magic coconut oil grease that you saw as my curling product. Now my hair is shorter in the front compared to the back. I hate that for my life. I would just cut everything all even, but as my hair grow out, it's still going to be shorter in the front and longer in the back. My ends do need to be cut again. I tried to trim it as much as I could, but as I'm parting my hair and I'm looking at it, I did go in and start trimming a few ends that I can trim, but I do need to go to my hairstylist and let her trim my hair all together. Child, I can never get my waves perfect the way I did it from day one. But I did realize later in the video that I had too much hair out. But for right now, I am just separating the curls at the top with my fingers. I did try to use the comb, but it was just pulling the curls out, and that's something that I didn't want to do. So right now I'm just playing with it, trying to get it back to day one when I curled my hair, and it just never works out right for me. So now that you see how I got this look, I was trying to do like a little bit of pin curls, whatever. But now that you see how I got this look, girl, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will chat with you a little bit later. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.